Wyatt, help me out. What weight ratios do I have to consider when I pull a trailer, when I deal with a fifth wheel, when I buy a truck?
So there's a lot of confusing numbers, especially on trailers and on trucks. You want to make sure that the functionality of what the truck is doing, it's not overworking the engine, but also you're not breaking the laws of what it's capable of doing. Typically with a trailer such as this, and you can see the tag that's located on the side, you're going to have 2 different or 3 different numbers that as you're shopping, as you're buying, and you get this number out of your book, you're going to say, okay, I've got 7,000 pounds to play with. I want to feel comfortable that your truck is capable with this trailer right off the bat.
Explain tongue weight to me.
There's a difference between tongue weight and payload capacity. Your tongue weight is basically off the end of the bumper where the actual hitch sits, whereas the payload capacity is usually with a fifth wheel, and that's actually on a pin or a fifth wheel hitch into the bed of the actual truck.
What's the rough rule of thumb? Do I go to the capacity of the truck, or do I go to 3/4, half?
We usually hold it back about 30%. If you're running 7,000 pounds, you want to make sure that you're somewhere right around 5,000 pounds in total, just to make sure you're safe. You're going to be able to drive it where you got to, angle it where you got to. Weights play a huge importance, especially on your axles. If you don't get proper braking, you can cause accidents pretty quick, right?
There's a legal factor and there's a safety factor, and what's important when you consider these weights, your truck might be able to do it, but the big question is, should you do it with your truck?
Most people are very sensible. They are coming in with the right questions, and those are definitely them. How much am I pulling? What's my vehicle rated for? We find a lot of people that'll go back to dealers to get the pertinent information. So we have the information for both. We have the information for the trailer and the truck.
So a phone call to Bucars, and then I don't have to let my head hurt anymore, and you can make sure I'm both safe and legal.
There's a lot of factors involved, so Bucars will definitely have the answer for you.